I'm pretty sure you must have heard about AI action figure trend. Well, whether you have heard about it or not, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online with this current trend using ChatGPT free version. I'm also going to show you different ways you can create a custom AI action figure and step-by-step guide on how you can use it to make money on two different websites. And trust me, this is totally different from Amazon KDP. It is very simple, anyone can do. So if you want to know how you can create an AI action figure, just as you can see in this video, how you can turn your image or any other image to an AI action figure and how you can use it to make money online, you may want to stick around to the end of this video to be able to grab every detail you need. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. My name is Stacy, and on this space, I share different ways to make passive income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. So if you love this type of content, kindly subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell as you get notified each time I upload a new video on how to make passive income online. The first thing to do is to go to ChatGPT to get a prompt. Either you enter a prompt you already have or you generate a prompt using ChatGPT. So I've already done all of that. So I'm going to show you how I did mine and how I was able to generate the images I'm going to show you right now. So what I did was to just ask ChatGPT to give me a prompt to create an AI action figure of myself as a creator on YouTube. You can do this in two ways. Either you get a prompt from ChatGPT or you enter any prompt you have. So you can copy the prompt I already used for this video. I allow ChatGPT to generate a prompt for me. So this is the prompt ChatGPT generated for me. So I copied it and made some adjustment. What I did was to copy this, and now this is the adjustment I made from the prompts ChatGPT gave initially. So I just added some things and removed some things to make it unique, because the quality of your AI action figure will be determined by the quality of your prompt. So you have to be very specific, creative, and unique in your prompt. So I said, create a highly detailed 3D action figure of a modern YouTube creator named Stacy. Make it look like it is displayed in a fancy floral theme letters box styled in a cartoonish but realistic way. The figure should resemble the person in the picture, a confident, creative individual in their late 30s, wearing casual but stylish streetwear with tech-inspired accessories. Include the monitor camera, a ring light, a laptop with video editing software on the screen, and a YouTube play button trophy. The figure should be pros like the I made creation, maybe pointing to a whiteboard, vlogging with camera, or editing on a laptop. The base of the action figure should say content creator mode on. The overall style should blend realistic with futuristic digital vibe. So I just edited the prompts ChatGPT gave me, and I uploaded my image, because AI action figure is turning your image, customizing your image to a cartoon, turning your image to a cartoon format. So you have to use your image to turn it to a cartoon format. So I uploaded my image with this prompt, and this is what came out. This is what ChatGPT created. As you can see, it used my image to create this. So depending on what you want, you can just make the specification here. ChatGPT will do justice to that. So this is the first prompt I used to generate this. I wanted something different, so I also asked the second time to give me a prompt to generate an AI action figure of a nurse, 3D cartoon but realistic. This is what came out. This is what ChatGPT gave as a prompt. So what I did was to also copy this. I copied it and made some adjustments. So this is the adjustment I made. I said, create a 3D action figure of a nurse, styled in a cartoonish but realistic way. The figure should be posed confidently holding a clipboard in one hand and a stethoscope in the other. The nurse is dressed in modern scrub with comfortable sneakers, a badge, and a smartwatch. Include accessories like a tiny syringe, a blood pressure curve, and a mini IV stand. The base should look like a hospital floor and include the word everyday hero. The action figure should be displayed inside a collector's box with a healthcare theme background. Thanks soft blue to medical symbol. So all of this I added some from what ChatGPT generated. So I now attached my photo, and this is what came out. So now Stacy Healthcare, that's a not everyday hero. This is different ways you can generate an AI action figure. You can generate as many as you want. So I also generated a third one using my image as well to generate this. It's totally different from these two other ones I already did. So this is the way you can generate your AI action figure using ChatGPT free version. If you use a pro version, it might be more detailed than this, but you can actually use this free version to make money online. The next step is, how do you make money with these images that you've generated? The first website is called Etsy. So Etsy is like an online store where they sell customized product, both digital product and physical products. So it's the best way where you can sell your AI images. So if you're new to Etsy, what you need to do is to sign up using your name, email address, and all that is required. Once you sign up, this is the dashboard you will see. Just like Amazon KDP, they have different categories. So you search for category that you're looking for. Now we are looking at you search for AI action figures. So when you search for AI action figure, something, just search for it and see what will come out. So this is what came out. Different AI action figures that are trending. You can see different, they have a lot of them. So this is where you can actually sell your AI action figure. So this is a nice platform where people have been making money using their AI images. So AI action figure is just like creating a cartoon version of your image. So when you create it and publish it on this platform, anyone that sees it and likes it will request that you replicate what you just created using their image. So what they will do is to order this artwork. What they will do is to order this. For instance, you click on this, for instance. So when you click on that, this is how it will come out. When you click on any of the images, this is how it will come out. Nurse Hero Collectible Edition. So when you click on this other page, see different AI action figures created by different people. So once you sign up with this platform, you also you create a store for yourself and upload what you just your AI image, your AI action figure. These are different ones. So once you click on any one you like, for instance, once you click on this, you go by your right hand side, you see the details of this products. It's a personalized action figure, custom digital toy art. So this is, if a customer wants this now, what the person will do is to, like, this is a product specification. Please enter the style, background color, theme, text, and any specific detail or request you would like us to consider when creating your custom portrait. Send your image via AC messages. So when someone sees this on this platform and likes this and wants this same figure with his or her own image, so what the person will do is to add it to cart, adding all these style, background color, theme, text, whatever the person wants. However the person wants it, the person will just put all this specification in this box and send to Etsy website. And once they get this order, they will generate this AI action figure and send to the customer. This is the item details. This is made order Files will be available after the seller completes your order. So once an order is made, they will use the customer's image to create an AI action figure for the customer. Detail of how the digital product will come. These are different more details about how to contact the seller and how to send your requests. Digital items you've purchased can be viewed and downloaded from the purchase and review section of your Etsy account. So the customer can either download it after placing order. Once it's created, you can either download it, or you can do instant download, or you get it through made to order download. So in any case, it is a digital product. Once the customer's order is processed, the customer can do instant download or made to order download. These are two ways the customer can get this digital product. So Etsy is a first platform to sell your AI action figure. So once you sign up with them, you create an account and create a store for yourself where you can be uploading AI custom figures, wall arts, and other AI images. This gives a very high profit margin. Like for instance, this particular image is going for $21.28. So this person now is making a whole lot of money every month, because look at the review. From the review and from the customer's review, you can say that this person is making. Now these are current reviews. This is just April 18, 2025, April 17, April 20. This is current review on this digital product. So this is how people make money. And when you go to other ones, you can see their prices. This is $10, this is $8, this is $2, $16. There are lots of them. People are using it to make money online, and you too can also join. So Etsy is the first website, and to be honest, it's not free to create an account. You can sign up and have an account, but if you want to start selling, want to start publishing your digital products, you have to pay a one-time fee of $15, and you will never pay again. You start making your own money. But if you don't want to pay, you don't want to use Etsy because it's not free, I'm going to give you another website that is entirely free of charge. So that is the next one. The second company to use, or second website to use, is Printify. Printify is a print-on-demand company where you can create and sell custom products. So any AI image you can generate, you can actually sell it on Printify. You can sell a wallpaper, word arts, AI images. You can print them on t-shirts, or just make it a wallpaper, a printable wallpaper. And from what they say, it is 100% free to use. They have up to 1,000 plus product global delivery, and it's entirely free of charge, unlike Etsy where you have to pay one-time fee of $15 to get started, to start publishing your custom products. On Printify, it is totally free of charge to get started. So I'm going to walk you step by step on how it works. 4 different steps to get started with Printify. And the first one is to choose from over 1,003 top quality products, including apparel, kitchenware, home decor, pet products, and more. You have to choose the products that you want to create. In this instance, it can be your wallpaper, it can be an image, it can be AI custom image or wallpaper, digital file or whatever. You just have to choose. They have so many. So when you click on choose your product, you click here. When you click here, choose your product, you can select from any product of your choice that you want to create. Because we're talking about digital product, AI custom image is going to be AI image or AI wall art or wallpaper or digital product, digital file. So once you select any one, you can do, you create, use our free product creator full of beginner friendly tools to design the product of your dream. You can either use their product creator or you create it by yourself using ChatGPT. So if you want to design, you click on start designing to design a product, the wallpaper that you want to publish. Then the next is to publish it. Prefer Printify integrates with all the popular sales channels like Etsy, Amazon, and Shopify for seamless listing and order management. Then the next is to start making money. So these are different steps to get started with Printify. So this I'll be going into details right now because I don't want this video to be too long. I'm going to make a detailed video on how to maximize your chances of making money through Printify. So if you're interested in that video, you can just comment I want the video in the comment section so that I can go ahead and make it. Well, if you come to Printify and you want to start publishing on Printify, what you can do is just sign up. Remember, you're not paying anything. You just sign up and start designing. You want to click on design, you follow the step-by-step form that will come out. So I'm going to be making a well-detailed video about this Printify, maybe my next video or subsequent videos. So if you're interested in that video, just comment I want the video in the comment section and I will do that. And if you have any question regarding what I have just shared in this video, you can as well leave a question in the comment section. So that will be all for this video on how to jump onto the current trend of AI custom figures to make money online. And for the Etsy company, it is very legit and people are using it to cash out other than Amazon KDP. And on Etsy, you can actually publish coloring books. So if maybe your coloring book is not having visibility on Amazon KDP, you can try Etsy. But remember, it's not entirely free. You can pay one-time fee of $15 to get started. All right, thank you for watching. I will see you again in my next video.